So hi guys, today we are going to show you some common type of USBs that we have in our home, and as time passes we actually forget what kind of USBs that we might be having with us, and once we purchase certain things and it has a particular type of USB, it is compatible with a particular type of USB, and we don't know that we really have it. So the most common type that we have nowadays is this USB type C. So this is the USB type C and this is the jack. So this is basically a type C to this jack adapter. So you can see this is the shape. I'm pretty much sure you will be having this. Then a very old one is this one. This used to be USB type A, and this was USB mini. You can see the shape. And then this one is USB type 3.0. How much is written here? I hope this is 3.0. 123. So can it focus? Yeah. And then we have, this is USB micro. You can see ये USB micro है. So these are the common ones. Like this is USB 3.0 to USB micro adapter. This is a card reader. And it says nothing much, just their name, brand name. Just want to see if something is written over here. Anyway, so these are the things. So this was a short video, and this video is for us also, because so that if we again, because yesterday we faced some problem. What is USB, what is USB mic mini, and we were not able to figure out if is it USB type A or USB mini, and that's why we're making this video for our future guidance. So thanks for watching, and maybe it's also useful for you. So thanks, bye bye.